Craving these sanxing bao. This is what they look like. This is what they are. When you go to China and they make it in the big pan, if you like soup dumplings, there's no way you don't like these. Heat up the pan, lots of oil. I also made myself a strawberry banana smoothie. Stressful. Okay. No. Green onions. Sesame seeds. Oh, this is fire. Am I a chef? That's like chicken noodle soup to the soul. These are like a cross between a Chinese bun, pan-fried dumplings, and soup dumplings. If you like any of those things, love these. The best part is there's always more soup in these because they're bigger. 11 out of 10.